Have you ever set a goal, felt super motivated, but a few weeks later, you completely forgot about it? Maybe you wanted to get in shape, start a business, or improve your productivity, but somehow, life got in the way. The problem isn't you, it's how you're setting your goals. The key to success is having a clear objective and breaking it down into goals that actually work. That's where the SMART framework comes in, setting goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and deadline-based. If you've ever struggled to stay on track, this is the system that can change everything. Your objective is your ultimate destination, the big dream you're working toward, but without a clear plan, it's easy to get lost. Specific goals help you define exactly what you want to achieve, leaving no room for vague intentions. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, a specific goal would be, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week. Measurable goals keep you accountable by allowing you to track progress. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Achievable goals ensure that your ambitions are realistic. Finding the balance between challenging and doable makes all the difference. Relevant goals align with your bigger vision, ensuring that what you're working toward truly matters to you. Finally, deadline-based goals create urgency and help you stay focused. Success isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Setting SMART goals keeps you focused, motivated, and on track to achieve what truly matters. Now it's your turn. Pick one goal, apply this system, and see the difference it makes. If you want to master time management and stay productive while chasing your goals, I've put together an ebook on time management. And you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.